Can anybody tell me just where to find any love? Any love? And oh, everyone needs a love, no doubt. Any love, any love. Everybody lives alone without any love. Any love. I know there's someone waiting for me to come into my life. To come into my life, yeah. Suddenly out of the clear blue sky, lonely tears start to fill my eyes. I can't weep, but I refuse to cry. I gotta keep holding on. I gotta be very strong to keep holding on. Everyone needs a love, no doubt. Any love. And everybody lives alone without any love. Any love. I know there's someone waiting for me. Come into my life. Hey!
Bring it down. Yes, folks. Yes, folks. It's Sunday. It's Father's Day. And it's time for Bar Talk on Jamaicans.com. And moment to remember. Ladies and gentlemen, as you heard so far, none other than the iconic AJ Brown in the house. But guess what? We got 4 for the price of 1, because not only is AJ Brown in the house, his wife, his lovely wife Tamara is there, and we have his
Jordan.
son,
And Aquan.
and Aquan in the corner just chilling, just hiding and chilling. Folks, this is Jamaicans.com. This is Bar Talk, brought to you by Moment to Remember. Moment to Remember Studio is a photo, video, print studio. From all your needs, from your passport picture to your next wedding, we got you. We're also brought to you by Jamaicans.com, which is the premier online site for all things Jamaican, and we go beyond Jamaica. And you can find us on the web. If some of you are looking for us, I know people say that sometimes it's hard to find, just go Facebook. Go www.facebook.com/ and guess what? It's One Love Jamaica. www.facebook.com/ One Love Jamaica. Folks, like I said, we have AJ Brown here, but before we go to AJ, let's just take a little bit of housekeeping. You know we like to know where you're coming from. I know you're streaming, you know you're watching us from somewhere in the world. We got people from Africa, we got people as far as China, and so sometimes we want to know, just for the sake, we like to know that you're viewing us, even if it's Africa or wherever, we get it all the time. And just say hi to us, say hi to Jamaicans.com, say hi to, give some love to AJ's family. Because guess what? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
If it weren't for COVID, maybe you gotta pay for this concert. You know, I ain't no maybe buddy. You probably would be paying for this concert. So we just asked. Oh, it's concert? Concert! So folks, it's AJ Unplugged. The man, the music, the art. So this evening, stay tuned. We're gonna talk to AJ a little bit about life, love, himself, his upbringing. We're gonna talk about the art. For folks, look around. All this, the man can paint. Okay? And he has a lot to tell you. He's an artist beyond just the music. So stay tuned. He's about to tell you a lot. AJ Brown, welcome to Bar Talk, sir. Talk to me.
Good to be here.
The folks here in Jamaicans.com, they've seen you on stage, so forth. I don't know how often they get a chance to be up close and personal. That's why it's AJ Unplugged. Talk to me. There's somebody in Jamaica trying to figure what this man, what if it come from my neighborhood? Talk to me. Tell me where you were born in Jamaica. What's your upbringing?
Well, I'm a Galtegonian. I'm a Galtegonian. Come from Galtegonian. Yeah, Mount Salem. Okay. Big up all of districts in Montego Bay. You know, Mount Salem, Norwood, Albion. Trust me, there's so many, but you know, that's where I'm from Montego Bay, and went to Cornwall College.
Yeah, well, somebody want to know because back then they don't call them now. We have primary school. What kind of is this school? Yeah.
Well, I went to as it relates to primary school, I went to what them call Colonel de Avenue Primary School. That's my primary school upbringing. Then I went to Cornwall College, and then from Cornwall, I did 2 years of the. At that time, they had the National Youth Service. I did 2 years.
Yes.
Youth service. Did my stint at the St. James Parish Library.
Funny you said that because I was the national president for the Youth Service Workers League way back then. Right?
So we must have crossed paths at some point. Yes, for real. Yeah. Wow, that's good. That's great stuff. And then I started my career at the time when EP plan was in the hotels. There wasn't any all-inclusives at the time. So I did like about a year at a place called Banana Boat Club. Then I did 2 years with a band called Tamara and the Clubbites. And by that time, I was ready to go to Edna Manley School for the Performing and Visual Arts. Did 4 years there. Graduated from there. Did years on the coast, performing in the all-inclusive hotels, Seawind, Sandals, you name it, Couples, all of them. Because I was like the forerunner when it came to helping to create that product, that all-inclusive product. So
for the hotel industry at that time.
Yes. Yes. So they use my standard of entertainment in their hotels to make sure their guests were well entertained, and that's what helped to make the product what it is now. And then I went to Las Vegas, did 7 years there.
Wow.
At the Mirage Hotel, did 4 years at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in art.
In art.
And,
see, folks, Lottie didn't know that. So it's not just a brother who is just one-dimensional. All right? Good. There you go.
And went back to Jamaica, worked on my recording career in terms of recording with different producers, including the late Bobby Digital, and passed on about a week or so ago.
Yeah.
Taddy P, all of the great producers in Jamaica, Barry Salmon, and I was invited to be part of Third World.
Yes.
In 2012.
It's been a while. Yeah.
And I've been working with them in addition to my solo career over the years. So we're doing all kind of stuff. Just finished an album with Damien Junior Marley.
Yeah. Another portrait of Damien right there.
And the album is doing well. It was one of the Grammy Award. It was in the Grammy Award nominations.
Nominations.
Really thought we were gonna win, but in the end, Coffee just blindsided us.
That's all right. That's all right.
But yeah,
just to be mentioned alone is a feat in itself.
Yeah. So so anyway, we are I'm still here, and we're
Awesome.
still going well. Yeah, man.
Talk to me about your family, because I see you have a beautiful family here. Your wife is sitting over there looking all fine and otherwise. If I may dare say so.
Of course you can. Of course you can. Yeah.
Talk to me.
Well,
Right? actually, me now go even ask you to introduce yourself. My dear sister, introduce yourself.
My name is Tamara. I'm known as Tamara B around Florida. And what you see over here is actually what you get. I'm a fun person.
Yes.
I love people. I love music. I love beauty. I own a beauty bar in Coral Spring. That's what I do. That's a part of what I do. I'm a fashion designer. I'm a makeup artist. Everything.
See, no one-dimensional people in this family, boy.
No,
You
no,
got
no,
everything,
no.
everything. Let me just take a little bit of time out to interject, because we have some people. And again, folks, if I call your name wrongly, don't hold me against it. Blame the mother tongue. But we have people is Satuko Fu Kondom from Good Morning from Japan.
From Japan. Okay.
Yes, so we got people all over the place watching us. Harris Porter, East Hartford, Connecticut, is in the house. Hartford in the house.
Yes, right.
Joy, good morning from Florida. Vivine Bailey, hi from Fort Lauderdale. And then we have Pam Bush from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Turn up the audio, somebody says. Turn up the audio. Bring down our main volume, turn up the audio. Gordon Carlene is, audio is low. We're working on that. And then we have C. Moore. Somebody has welcome to World Big da 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 da. We can move through that. Melissa Jane, always one love. Melissa is watching with us, and we appreciate that, Melissa. So AJ, third world experience.
Wow, it has broadened my experience. It has enriched my life. It has the experience with the five great talented musicians in third world have been exciting. I love being on the road with these guys. It's we make a lot of good music that we share to the millions of adoring fans all over the world, and I look forward to working with them, for as long as we can, pretty much.
Pretty much.
Yeah, man.
I don't want to go to just yet, but get us a little piece of the art. I don't want to go fully into it, but tell me about your because it seems to me that you've started out with the music, or was it the art first?
Professionally, it was the music, because music is my first love. But I learned the fundamentals of art at Cornell College. Big up Mr. McLeod, my first art teacher. I hope he's still alive. But and then when I used that to do the 2 years of youth service, because I used to do display art in the different library locations. What I used to do is, get thing approved from the manager at the St. James Parish Library. We look at what we're gonna say, and then I put it together in an art form, put it on displays in the different locations all over St. James. Pretty much.
Awesome.
So
awesome.
it wasn't just the St. James Parish Library, but the whole parish.
Parts of St. James.
So, and from there, when I went to Edna Manley, which at the time it was called Cultural Training Complex.
Yes, I remember that.
Yeah, I was one of the first batch of guinea pig students. Yeah.
I would call it a trendsetter. That's the difference. I call that a trendsetter.
Trendsetter, right. So anyway, we did 4 years there, learned the finer points of art. You know, I learned with so many teachers there, and did 4 years. And when I graduated, it was a great experience to be able to be doing both disciplines at the same time, because I used to go to school in the week, and then on the weekends I would fly to Mobile and perform, and then fly back the Sunday and go back school on Monday. And so you know, it's I literally paid my way through school. And
hey, any of my kids hear that? Just kidding. You know?
And I did it again when I went to Vegas, where the contractual arrangement was that the hotel would pay my tuition at UNLV, and I would work with them as well. So I did 4 years of that. So.
Awesome. Okay, folks, I tell you what, because I know some of you listening and hearing all of that, and I want the music from AJ. So, AJ, tell what you're going to do this time for us, and then I'm just going to switch after you. I'm going to leave you a while. I'm going to ask the lovely Tamara to tell me what it is like to be married to this man. With all them flying night, coming back, and all that kind of stuff, you know. I appreciate it. What song?
Just touch a tune for me, Kevin.
Oh, hold up, Kevin. Hold on. I keep forgetting it sometimes, and I need to let people understand that this program here, as I tell people all the time, I'm under the one that they dominate to walk the plank, right? But we have a group of people here that all times make this happen, and so people don't understand that out in. People see this program going on and so forth. It takes a lot to bring it on. And so we just want to recognize that, for example, DJ Kevin Stew for kevinstew.com. kevinstew.com on the night shift is in the house. He's the man making all that magic work right there. And he's telling me where I need to look or where I need to go. But just not only Kevin, Kevin Stew. So you want to catch Kevin Stew on kevinstew.com. Just go there at all times. People said, you know, I'm supporting my brothers because he's supporting me. So kevinstew.com. Yes, Kevin Stew. Is it the night shift? Kevin Stew on the night shift?
Yeah, the night shift is a show.
The night shift is a show. It's a site. Okay. We have beside him Paula. I'll call her name Paula. I said it already. So normally she is part of the witness protection program. So she don't want nobody know her name. But me already said somebody else will go with it. Paula is there with all the things. We have Joan Howard. She's also the vice president of Jamaica Nurses Association in Florida. But she just loves what we do. It's a kind of a team. And we have none but Juliet Stedman. Steady on the camera. Steady on the camera at all time. So it's all yours, Kevin. Pull it up. Go on again, Kevin. Yeah, man, you can't play it.
No, next tune, Kevin. Kevin, we did that. We sing that already in the bedroom.
Him do any love already, Kevin, man.
Yeah. So, this next song is a song that I had the pleasure and honor of performing for our beloved Jamaican Olympic team. It's okay. It's a long introduction, so yeah, let's let it play. And is that a good volume? Are they hearing it? I hope so. Okay. The Jamaican Olympic team on their return from Beijing, China. And trust me, it was an honor. This also is a song that inspires, encourages, and inspiration. Piece of inspiration. A song by Josh Groban. We're sending out some strength to all the fathers. When troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats imperfectly. But when you come and I am still in wonder, sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on the stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. Raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on the stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. Raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you, AJ. Thank you, amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Folks, I said it before, but we need to support our folks because this is brought to you by Jamaicans.com and Moment to Remember, but it's also brought to you today by the AJ Brown family because they're in the house. Okay? So what I'd like for you to do right now is if you are hearing this, just like the program, but more than that, somebody out there needs to probably hear this. So I'm suggesting to you that right now, just share this program with someone. Find 5 friends. And it's Father's Day and people go in all kind of places. But we also know it's Father's Day and sometimes the COVID is still rampant. So we want you to share this with us so people can enjoy.
Watch party.
Watch party all day long, all day long. Okay? I'm going to take it now to Tamara.
Yes, sir. Present.
Yes. Let me call it out. I'm going to go to AJ afterward, the art. But I want you to talk to people the strength that it takes, not only to raise 2 kids, but to have a man like this who is in the business who's always traveling? What kind of fortitude? What's your perspective on his life and how you deal with it?
Well, one thing I can say is I've learned a lot from him. He's all about discipline. Like, trust me, he's organized, he's disciplined, he's an amazing man. Like, I'm not just saying that because he's my husband. I'm talking that as a person, he is just loving. And talk about patience.
Lord.
I'm the troublemaker in my family, like, you know, but when he's at home, he's just
Regular man.
daddy.
Yeah, regular
yeah,
man.
he's just daddy, you know.
Stick a pin. Tell me one thing about daddy.
Hella cool.
Kind of cool?
Cool.
Cool?
Yeah.
Anything?
You want good or bad?
Everything.
No.
Well, don't do it. Yeah.
Don't do it. Can't do it.
But here's just one thing I like about you.
Acorn will do it.
Acorn. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead. Come stand up and say to mother.
I said something. Yeah.
The good things about him is he kind of has my
Disposition.
yes. I'm a really since I'm a kid, I'm really into video games and all that stuff. But I actually like really drawing, so he helped give me a bit of pointers on all that stuff.
Awesome. So he's imparting that thing to the family.
Yeah, and I guess I could sing. I'm not singing here because
Yeah.
I'm self-conscious. I'm going to middle school, so I'm kind of self-conscious.
That's all right. Thank you so much. Fathers, we're never perfect, but we're perfect for our kids. As simple as that. No man is perfect, but we're perfect. The Father didn't give us our kids for no reasons. Okay. Talk to me a little bit more about, there's somebody in Jamaica wonder what kind of food him like eat.
Why them have to ask a question there?
One of the things about bar talk is like the salon. You know the salon.
Yes.
So basically, we know him a singer, we know him an iconic leader, of the band, the iconic band, Third World. We know all of that. We see it on TV, but what we want to know the little things that just kind of can make we hold on, tell me him a little bit longer. I like him a little bit more because somebody out there him like stew peas. Somebody say, well, how am I dish that to you? Talk to me.
Well, he's a healthy eater, if I must say.
Lord.
You know, no, honestly, the household is. You know, we don't mess around a whole heap of red meat or stuff. We don't mess with that. But him love fish. But I'm just going to give away a little piece of something. Like when him get the fish and the veg and everything. This man loves to mix everything in, like just mix up everything.
So no matter how you separate that, make a nice presentation. Him just mess it up.
Listen, peanut, everything, him put everything in a one. That, yes. So you all have that about him. Like, him mix up. Him will throw juice in him food.
AJ, listen. We throw you under the bus.
That's fine. You know why? Because guess what? Everything I go to see in place.
I said the same.
Everything I got to see in place.
The same place.
But the way I look at it is this. My taste buds, when I mix it up and just put it in my mouth, the different flavors just break. It's like
That's how he
fireworks.
tries to explain it at home also.
I understand the thing.
Oh man. All right, AJ. It's a Father's Day. We're gonna give out some songs to the fathers. So I want you to do your next selection and then talk to me about, because you're a man that, like I said, is so multifaceted. You have several projects working on. Now, you and I spoke about some of these projects. Yeah. So why you do another song and stuff? Him start bust I don't know why you talk about him start bust a sweat. I think I'm the only one busting a sweat, but that's it now. So give us another song and then just move right into, talk to me about the projects we talk about. Because folks, you will see it here. This brother is working a lot of things and I need your support. He needs your support to make it happen. All right, AJ, take it away.
Take it away, Kevin.
You know.
Yeah. It's the song after You Raised Me Up. There you go. Yeah. That tune, one of my originals way back when, in the 80s. Yo.
When you man ball in.
Yeah. One of the first music video in Jamaica. All Fall Down. Michael Landon. What? Let me say. All fall down. Hey. All fall down. Every day you provide. You spend all night on the town. Always with a different partner. You just change them around and around. Pretending it's all roses. When it's just make believe. So I may say, just from the sound of my voice, you won't feel. Just from the look in my eyes, you won't feel.
All fall down,
Just from the touch of my lips when you kiss them.
all fall down,
Just when you think that your heart can't be taken.
all fall down.
Every day you're shopping. You spend hours on the phone. You're always in the middle. Yet you're always all alone. But I know the way to reach you. I've got just what you need. So let me say, just from the sound of my voice, your walls will.
All fall down,
Just from the look in my eyes, your walls will.
all fall down,
Just from the touch of my lips when you kiss them.
all fall down,
I just don't when you think that your heart can be taken.
all fall down.
Yo, and you know so we have the next tune in it. And next tune in it. Next tune. Cause you don't know it go. Yeah. We just give them a little touch. I've sat in this old bed before on some other night just like this. The bed's the way it always was, but the way it was is just a fantasy. I'll eat some of my favorite food when I lose myself in a mood. The food sits cold there on the plate while I feed on my memories of you. Hey, you've captured me without a fight. And what do I say? I say it's quite alright. You made me feel indeed that I was wrong. I was blind, but now I see what life can be when you love. I catch the scent of your perfume as it moves sweetly through the room, moving from reality to a place where you are my sufficiency.
Yes, sir!
And I laugh at some old joke of yours that did not amuse at the time. The way I'm acting now to me puts me deep inside the web that you have weaved. Yeah, you've captured me without a fight. What do I say? I say it's quite alright. You make me feel indeed that I was wrong. I was blind, but now I see what life can be when you love. Yeah. Yeah, man. Fading out.
Fading out.
Fading out.
Life
Your
can
time.
be when you
Love.
love. I actually watched you this afternoon while I was preparing, singing that song many moons ago when no dreads, no nothing, a suit and a low cut, crop cut here, singing that. I said, boy, I thank him, telling him, my dear Tamara, thank all the ladies who made this popular.
Yes.
I research you, so thank all the ladies who made this popular.
But I want to tell you, say, the man them love that tune here too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I will for them tell me, say,
A dozen roses and that song.
Wally for woman, we get through that tune.
Awesome.
For real.
Folks, we haven't, because my father, my what's the song again?
My father, my friend.
My father, my friend. That's my personal favorite. We haven't even touched that, folks.
Yes. Yeah.
We haven't touched that yet. So Father's Day, to me, and I'm going to say this, AJ treat and AJ's family treat you all, my father, my friend. But before we go there, AJ, talk to me about the projects you're working on currently.
Well, apart from the More Work to Be Done album that we just finished with Damien, and it's really going great guns in terms of just the accomplishments.
Just 1 second, AJ. I just want to plug this, folks. If you're getting this now on Father's Day, first of all, happy Father's Day to you. But if you're getting this today, the best thing you could do today is to share it. So like and share it. I'm going to ask you right now, while the show is still going on and we still got a little bit more time, find 5 people. Tell them watch this. All right? Back to you, AJ.
Yes, like and share. Yeah, watch party. Yeah, man. So we're the album has accomplished a lot in the couple of months that it's been out, but it's not even a year, and it's reached the million view mark on YouTube.
Wow.
It's in terms of the a song called "You're Not the Only One" with Damien, featuring Damian Marley, and I've already spoken about the Grammy Award nomination that it achieved.
Coffee
But it's great vibe because you don't know.
Yes.
It's all about Jamaican music, and that's what we create and we share with the world. Apart from that, I'm because of the COVID-19, not really because of it, but because we've been doing art-related events before, but because of the COVID-19, we have to do it online, and so we just rolled out with the help of Aja Foundation. Big up Lorna Williams and the Aja Foundation team. We rolled out the summer program online, and we have classes for mixed media art, fine art, voice, and guitar. And just want to big up Beth Sobel, who is one of the mixed media teacher, Steve Golding, who is the guitar teacher, And you know, it's really great working with Lorna and Annette and Michelle DeVito. Trust me, and can't forget Greg. But you know, so it's good to be on the Azure Foundation team, and we rolled out on yesterday, and we'll be doing 12 weeks of these lessons. For me, it's art and voice, so my plate's kind of filled, but it's all great. It's all great.
It's all great. It's a love of what you do.
You know, we're on Zoom, and we'll be working with the kids. Unfortunately, registration is already closed, so whoever is who wants to be part of that, it's already closed. However, if you want to learn voice from me or learn art from me, you can always go on the Aja Foundation website and request that you do private lessons. And you know, it's www.ajafoundation.com, and the site is there. You can put in your request, and you know, no problem entertaining you and making sure that you get as much information that I have to share.
Awesome.
Yeah, man.
Question. Folks, I just want to let you all know that all this here are art done by the one and only A.J. Brown. A.J., quick question. Is any of this for sale?
Yes.
Is all of it for sale? Right, Kevin. Is all of this for sale? Or is
Yeah.
any or all of it for sale? And even the pictures behind him, as you can see,
Well,
it's all...
Let me explain. These are all originals.
Yes.
So you're gonna have to have a really heavy pocket to deal with these originals right here.
Talk to us about each one. Yeah.
Over there, this is a photograph of Tony Williams, Tony Eruption Williams. He's a drummer for Third World. This is Richard Daly, bass player, founder for Third World. Damien Junior Gang Marley, he was the producer for the album More Work to Be Done. Everyone knows Stephen Catcore, guitarist, cello player, singer, and a founder of Third World. Norris Webb, he plays keyboards and background vocals, and he used to be musical director for Diana King and Toots and the Maytals, and you know, just they are all wicked musicians, talented musicians, and you know, it's great to be playing music with them and sharing talents with the world on stage with them. All of these paintings will be on G-Clay reproduction in the future. Very, very, very near future. Website is on the way, so I'll be rolling that out very, very soon, and when it does come out, you'll be able to do a one-stop shop, you know, music, art, everything. Merchandise, you know, everything.
Got you.
Yeah, man.
So, folks, you've heard it here. AJ, not only the artist, not only the father, husband, and his wife had a lot to say about him too, but we also move into the, in fact...
I'm curious about that piece over there.
Okay, that's right, because we didn't touch that piece.
Oh, this piece is it's like a poster of all the different pieces.
Could you scoot over, please?
Oh, sure.
This camera right here is...
That's a poster of all the different pieces that I've done that you can get on G-Clay, a G-Clay reproduction. So, you know, it's what I use when I do exhibitions. I have that up, and whoever wants to get pieces can always look at look at the poster, pick what they want, and put whatever in. Give me their information, the size they wanted, and I get them reproduced and mailed back to them. So.
Okay. Moving on in the program, back to the man and the music. So if that's the man, we hear about what he likes to eat, how he does his food, everything. Now we're back to the music. And so, what's up next for us?
Well, I'm gonna turn it over to my wife. Don't sit down, baby, because this next song is yours.
Whoa.
It's ours. I'm gonna give it to Tamara to set up the song.
Okay.
Yes. First of all, I want to say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, you know, near and far, Africa, Jamaica, everywhere in the entire world.
Let me interject because I know I love this song coming up. I already prepped it, but let me just, I've been not doing my duty in terms of healing up the people who have been.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody. No, but Angela Lewis, greetings from Texas. Melissa again, watching, blessings, hello everybody. Nenwara Eva, again, I do apologize for the name, is watching, big up, blessings. Joan Richardson, watching and enjoying from Bermuda, blessings. I am a childhood friend, AJ Brown.
Family.
Eva, Angela Lewis Brown, hi, big mom. How you do? I am Jessica Highsmith. Good one. I have Denise Evadnis watching. Hey, Denise. I have Althea Monday. Hey, Jay, great. Always thanks for singing my favorite song. Maxine Plummer. When you love, right. Maxine, I'm having people from some places where I don't know the name. It's Le Bon Gang. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that name, but thank you, and AJ, thank you for watching.
Wow.
Pam, what's it? Okay, it's watching. Pam,
Wow.
Laura-Ket, that much up. Hi, happy Father's Day to you all. Pam, loving this, thanks. Happy Father's Day from Princess. Melissa, hey, great work, AJ Brown, she says. And I have Karen Lindsay, happy Father's Day, gentlemen, loving it. Luke, much great artist. Well, no, happy Father's Day, gentlemen. Loving the show, Luke. Such a great artist. You are AJ. Lots of respect from Karen, turning in from London. She going to bed. Okay. I'll give you a moment. Big up AJ. Jennifer Watson, go ahead.
Marlon Borrell, Luke Young.
Yes, I.
Yeah, big ups to you guys.
For real.
For real.
Yeah, man, it's great. It's great to you know.
As far as China and other places that we can't call a name, but it's all yours. Go ahead. Take my sister.
Yes, as I was saying, Happy Father's Day. This song is an original song that I wrote for our wedding day. So this song is special. That's why I'm dressed up in a full suit of white.
Hey.
Yes, so this is a song, a duet, that take it away, Mr. Stew. Stew up the thing.
Ooh, it's all about you and I.
Listen.
And it's all about you, all about me. It's all about the two of us and the way we feel. It's all about you, and it's all about me. And it's all about the two of us and the way we feel.
Yeah. If this is a miracle or not, I wouldn't want things to change. Everything will remain the same. I know you know how I feel. And this time I know that love is for real.
And it's all about you, and it's all about me. And it's all about the two of us and the way we feel. It's all about you, and it's It's all about me, and it's all about the two of us and the way we feel.
Listen.
Today we're standing side by side. You're my handsome groom, and I'm your beautiful bride. Somehow I know we both feel the same.